Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders like this one on iPhone 16 Pro. To create home screen folders, press and hold on an app you want to add to the folder, then drag it over another app you want to have in the folder. You can add more and more apps like that. You can click on the folder, and when it's in edit mode, so when the apps are wiggling, then you can change its name. And you can place apps on different pages of the folder. So press and hold on an app, then use other finger to swipe to another page, and you can see that I now have files on the second page of the folder. When you're all set, click on done, and now it's done. And to remove an app from the folder, press and hold on it, then drag it out of the folder and place it somewhere on your home screen. Then tap on done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.